Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's jumping in my pot, Louisiana Dirty Rice. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using: salt, dried oregano, black pepper, paprika, dried thyme, cayenne pepper, bay leaf, chili powder, minced garlic, minced parsley, diced celery, red and green bell pepper diced, Worcestershire sauce, unsalted chicken stock, diced andouille sausage. I have here diced onions and scallions. I have here rice that I'm soaking in cold water and ground beef. I have a cast iron pot here, and I have some oil in the cast iron pot. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cook the ground beef. Gonna cover this up a bit and let the ground beef cook for about 3 minutes. Now that the ground beef has been cooking for about 3 minutes, it's time to add the andouille sausage. And we let this cook up for about 3 to 5 minutes. Yes, the meat has browned up enough, and now it's time for the vegetable to jump into the pot. Now we mix this up and let it saute all up together for about 5 minutes or until it becomes nice and brown. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let's check and see how it's coming along. Now it's time for all the seasoning to jump into the pot. Mix that up. And it's time to add the Worcestershire sauce. We're going to let this cook up for about 3 minutes, and then we'll come back and add the rest of the ingredients. Now it's time to add the rice. Mix this up. Let's add the chicken broth. the bay leaf, now you can use hot sauce if you would not like to use cayenne pepper. I'm using cayenne pepper, so I don't need to use hot sauce. Gotta add the parsley. Now we cover it up and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Here you have it, Louisiana dirty rice. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on X, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to check out some of my older videos in the screen below. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.